Audio test, 1, 2, 3. We are the mighty Guru Yoghourt. That'll be you. And the magnificent Murgatroyd.
Take off. Home point updated.
Well, hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. We are at a very nice campsite in the Southern Lake District. We stayed here last night. We're going out riding all day long today. But yesterday was Dave's day. We didn't go to that, of course. I was at work, but we did go to the first two. When we got to the campsite here, we discovered that in the bunkhouse here, there is a group of motorcyclists all the way from Northamptonshire. This is the Motorcycle Social and Riding Club from Northamptonshire. They're about to leave. They were at Dave's Day yesterday, and they're going today to do Rhino's Pass and Hard Knot Pass. So I thought I'd take the opportunity to get some footage of them when they leave. Good morning. How are we feeling? You'll be okay when you wake up? Ah, so you're not actually awake at the moment. Synchronize. 1, 2, 3. No, shouldn't be. Is that better? Yeah, I think the whole volume was too loud, too high. Okay, so this has been a very delightful campsite. Haven't spent too many hours here. I didn't arrive till about 10:30 last evening. It was a busy night at work. We camped just here. There's another couple of pitches down there, and there's a big bunkhouse here, which is where the motorcyclists from Northamptonshire stayed. Just around the corner here. There were 8 of them, all in the bunkhouse. How are we feeling today, Murgatroyd? Fine. Very good. Where are we going today, Murgatroyd? But what's the plan? Hartside Pass. Yes, regular viewers may remember that we went to attempt Hartside Pass earlier in the year. Oh, I don't know if I did. Anyway, it turned out to be too icy. It was still, what was it, February, I think? Around about February. I do not think that ice will be our problem on Hardside Pass today. Anyway, let's get moving. Yep, you're first. So the campsite is tucked out of the way, nestled in the hillside, the very southern end of the Lake District. Ah, yeah, me too. It would be nice to spend 2 days here. So there goes the Murgatroyd on our almost brand new Kawasaki Eliminator. Eliminator. And she has, of course, my yellow saddlebags on while she looks into and decides what luggage options she's going to choose. Saddlebags may be the way forward. Yeah. Rack for a top box, are you thinking? Yeah, or just something to strap tents or sleeping bags onto. Yeah, that's certainly worth considering. But yeah, have a look what's around. I mean, I think these Wild Heart ones, I know you now describe them as those scratty yellow things. They are... Oh, decent coloured ones. I would have been offended if you'd said some decent saddlebags. Those have served me very well. Well, you've got a couple of months before we go to Ireland, so you've got plenty of time to decide. Yeah, well, that's why I was just tightening the right-hand one up a bit, because it was actually touching the exhaust. But you don't necessarily have to have 40-litre ones like that. No, when you think... Exactly, and then we've got the same amount of luggage on my motorcycle. We're not going to be struggling for space at all. But they do a 20-litre and a 30-litre, I believe. And you do get a choice of all different colours. I think red ones would look quite nice on that. Oh yeah, I bet you were. I see a saddlebag and want to paint it black. Yeah, you're the dark Murgatroyd. So this is a really nice little single track lane coming up to the campsite, and it does this for quite a while. It's a very nice part of the world. I've never been here before. Have you been up this road before, Mugs? Probably not. No. Well, yeah, obviously you grew up around here, didn't you? So you probably know the area far, far better than I do. Well, you wouldn't need to go up here, would you, if you weren't doing those? Possibly a chapel, yeah. I don't know. It does look that way. No, because my sat nav went mental. I'm pretty sure it was a left turn to get back down toward Manor Arms. Yes. No. Yeah. We're not going to go far wrong before we Is it? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, here we are. Look, Green Odd Ulverston. That'll be us. The sat-nav can be woefully inadequate in places like this. Well, we're heading down onto the main road now. We didn't bring any cooking stuff because it was only a short one-night camp, and we are going to avail ourselves of a breakfast at Porkies. We'll tell you what Porkies is when we get there. Yeah, so when we went to pick up the motorcycle around about, well, it was this time last week, the Murgatroyd was laughing at me for buying a breakfast bap from Porkies when we had all the stuff to make the very same thing sat in the fridge at home. She was like aghast she was. I don't know why anybody does this when they've got the stuff, blah 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 blah. On it went. Blah 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 in the Murgatroyd style. But today apparently there will be no dissing. Different circumstances. Yeah, the only difference in the circumstances is you were hungry this morning. When we came out last Sunday, you just had a big bowl of porridge. Right. Okay, do you just want to stop there, my love? Just pull up there and reach forward and turn off your camera. You don't need to turn it off at the side, just stop it recording. I'll just tell mine. Stop recording! Well, here we are at Porkies then. Second Sunday in a row. So yeah, little roadside cafe. Plenty of seats to be sitting on and really good value. I'm having bacon, egg and sausage and bun with a coffee. There are of course going to be a hell of a lot of motorcycles heading down this road today, probably throughout the day, because this is the road that leads into Barrow-in-Furness, which is where Dave's Day happens. We're only on this road for about 10 miles and then we're heading north up to Hartside Pass.